How to modify ice block business and make profits. How to make money from modified ice block business is what I'm talking to you about, and I am starting immediately. Now, I've done a series of videos, more than 10 videos about ice block and many things, the machine, everything. And some people have chatted me in different ways and commented on my videos that the power supply they have where they live can only last them 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. Some people have asked that can they ice block solidify in 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. I've answered those questions in my previous videos. Now in this video, I want to tell you how you can make money from modified ice block business. Now, let's assume that you already have the ice block machine. What are you going to do with the machine if the power supply in your vicinity is just 4 hours or even 2 hours or 3 hours or 5 hours? Let's assume you don't have the ice block machine yet. How are you going to make money from this modified ice block business? That is what I'm going to explain to you immediately now. Number one, you should be sure and be ready and make up your mind and have it at the back of your mind that what you want to do is not really ice block. What I mean is that the water you put in the nylon is not going to solidify. In fact, you are not going to be putting water in the nylon. What you are going to be buying and selling is cold drinks, mineral, pure water, bottled water, Maltina. So you get all this, you buy it at the best wholesale price from the sellers. You get it at the best wholesale price from the company. Even pure water, you don't wait for the vehicle that will bring pure water and those guys that come along with pure water and sell. You go to where it is being produced and discuss a discounted price. Get a discounted price from the marketers direct from the factory of the soft drink sellers. Also, you get direct from the factory of the pure water or bottled water sellers. So already you have an edge over those who are waiting for them to bring the drinks, the soft drinks and the water to them using the vehicles like that, without any prior arrangement with the company. But if you're going to do this, you're going to be buying a lot. So have this at the back of your mind. And you have your ice block machine. Now, all these that have been supplied, you stock it in your freezer. You stock it in the ice block machine. Both the soft drinks and the water, pure water and the bottled water, you stock it in the machine. And the period that light is going to come, you on the machine. Within that period, the pure water, the bottled water and the soft drinks and the malt you put inside of the machine, if it's 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, it will have become very, very cold. It will not become ice block. It will not block, but it will be very cold. Now, what do you do? How do you sell? Now, you have to make sure your shop or where you have the machine is sited around a popular place where there is usually traffic, where there's usually traffic on the road. You make sure it is sited, your shop is sited around that place. During the time of this traffic, you get young guys and young ladies that used to sell in traffic. You can recruit new people, but to get those people that used to sell in traffic, they will come to pick from your shop these pure drinks and this cold drink, these chilled drinks, and they will go and sell at that place where there's traffic. And then when they sell, they will come back and give you your money, or you have taken your money ahead, and they will pick others and go back. Some of them can come 3 times and they will go and sell, and they will come and pick from your shop, they will go and sell. This is a business strategy that have made millions. I know somebody that in one day he made 500,000 from this business I'm sharing with you. Now, so you do this, you can recruit new people, you buy even the plastic they are going to use for the sales. You buy it, the plastic belongs to you. So you get a number of people, like 10 or 20 people that will go and sell and bring returns. So if you don't trust the people, let them pay ahead. If you trust them and you know them, let them pick from you at no cost, go and sell and bring your money to you. This is a hot business, especially if you're in a place where there is traffic. I am going to talk to you some other time. My name is Olubenga and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. If you need guidance on business, ice block business or any other business, chat me up and I'm going to help you. Until some other time. Bye for now.